Hey everyone, welcome back to Wander Wisdom Channel. Today, I'm thrilled to take you on a magical journey through the enchanting Christmas markets of Milan. We're going to explore the festive wonders right in the heart of the city at Piazza del Duomo. So, let's dive into the holiday spirit together. As I step into Piazza del Duomo, I'm instantly captivated by the breathtaking beauty and festive atmosphere that fills the air. The iconic Duomo di Milano stands majestically in the background, creating a picturesque backdrop for the Christmas market. One of the most dazzling sights is the Chanel store, its palatial facade adorned with an array of twinkling lights that turn the entire building into a festive masterpiece. It's a true testament to the holiday spirit, blending luxury with the magic of Christmas. Moving towards the center of the square, I'm greeted by the sight of a towering Christmas tree, adorned with sparkling lights and colorful ornaments. It radiates a sense of grandeur, adding to the overall festive charm of Piazza del Duomo. Our next stop is the iconic Galleria Vittorio Emanuele, where the holiday magic continues. Walking through this historic shopping arcade feels like stepping into a winter wonderland. Despite the grandeur of the surroundings, there's a cozy and relaxed Aperol-style atmosphere in the cafes and bars. Our journey wouldn't be complete without a visit to the Swarovski store, a true spectacle of elegance and luxury. Strolling through the cobblestone streets, you can't miss the tantalizing aroma of traditional Italian street food wafting from the various stalls. For those seeking a cozy respite, the quaint bars and cafes lining the streets offer a warm embrace. Now let's take a majestic detour to one of Milan's iconic landmarks, the Castello Sforzesco. Just a short distance from Piazza del Duomo, this historic castle adds an extra layer of charm to the Christmas festivities. The Castello Sforzesco show us a majestic light scenery. Walking from the castle, we were able to reach the charming Brera district, arriving right at sunset. Our journey through Milan's enchanting Christmas festivities wouldn't be complete without exploring the intimate and richly vibrant Brera district. This picturesque neighborhood, steeped in history and culture, unveils a different facet of Milan's charm, especially as the sun begins to set. Brera is a haven for couples seeking a romantic escape during the holiday season. Its narrow cobblestone streets, adorned with soft lighting, create an intimate ambiance that is truly enchanting. As we meander through the alleys, you'll notice an array of quaint cafes, wine bars, and romantic restaurants, each exuding its own unique charm. And this, my friends, is the Christmas mood in Milano.
Hey warriors, your presence here is pure gold. If this video lit a fire in you, ignite that subscribe button and become a fearless part of our movement. Hit the notification bell. We're unleashing something epic soon. You want a front row seat? Huge love to the current legend subscribe. You're the backbone of this journey. If you're not on board yet, what are you waiting for? Hit subscribe, join the League of Extraordinary Minds. Power this up by slamming that thumbs up button. Your likes are the fuel that propels us forward. Thanks for powering through with us. Until next time, stay relentless, stay unbeatable. The journey continues. See you at the top.